This is RK from Financial Advisor RK blog. I'm going to talk about 20 things you need to be careful when you buy products online. Purchasing online we call as e-procurement. So let's see what are the things we should be careful when buying uh, products from online. Point number one: buy directly from manufacturer. Don't buy from intermediate people since their price is quite higher than manufacturer's price. Therefore, you need to ask first from seller whether he is manufacturer or an intermediate person, because the middleman never give you best rates. Point number two: get a sample from the seller and check before you order bulk products. Point number three: don't believe in extremely very low prices. You need to check the quality of the products if the prices are lower than the current market prices. Point number four: check the history of sellers, examples, transactions, or sales history. Point number five: avoid sellers who repeatedly ask or force you to make payments because they could be fake sellers. The genuine sellers never force you to make payments before they send you goods. Point number six: don't depend only on email conversations. Try to call them through Skype or WhatsApp, and best if you can have video calls. Point number seven: get information about the seller, the name, registered address, and other relevant information. If the seller is genuine, then he is not hesitate to give you all details. Point number eight: if the seller has an address, please check it on the Google map and get verified it. Point number nine: also please be careful if their business name is same as their personal name, and if their mail services are pre-mail services like Google, Yahoo, other than their company name mail service. Point number 10: negotiate the price. Tell them what the best rate for you. If they offer at high prices, tell them other seller offered you lower prices. Point number 11: know about the price. I mean, if the price inclusive of shipping and other transport costs, ask about the shipping term when you ask prices. If you are importing from other countries. Point number 12: also you need to check with your local authorities whether you can import that products legally, or you need to get relevant permits and license prior to the importation those products. Point number 13: know the minimum quantity before you place the order. Also the capacity of capacity of the supplier to fulfill your current and future demand. And also you need to check way of transportation by sea, by air, etc., so you can clearly understand about the order, and the making payments and everything. Point number 14: if you're not sure about the product demand, ask your supplier what's the minimum order quantity and import that quantity first and see the demand for the product first. Then if your uh, customers demand is high, then you can import more and sell to them. So if you're not sure about the current demand, you can check ordering the minimum quantity and just check with your customers how much they want to buy. Point number 15: check the cash return policy on the websites. In case they won't deliver the product, or you will return the product due to some reasonable product issue, so you need to check the cash return policy before before you make payments. Point number 16: check the security logo in the website address bar in your browser before you make payments. If it is secret one, you can see a lock without a cross. So you can uh, insert your payment details into those payment windows without any hesitate. Point number 17, prompt communications. See how long your supplier takes to respond to you. If it is taking a longer period of time, then it will be an issue during the purchasing and shipping too. So the supplier and you must be communicate well and without any language barrier and etc. So otherwise during the purchasing and shipping time, uh, those in rush time, you could get into stuck with your orders and you couldn't fulfill customers demand. Point number 18, check whether they issue bills for your purchase including sales taxes separately. So sometimes you can claim the sales taxes from tax authority, so you need to have bills, the invoice with breakup of all taxes, and it should be called tax invoices. So you can claim those taxes from the government. Point number 19, when you ask the price, ask it, is it inclusive tax or exclusive tax, to understand whether this price uh, is the most of the time. If it is a foreign country, so from you are importing from foreign country, you can't claim those taxes because it's only valid for their territory, not our territory. So you need to very careful about the price when they say in the price. If it is inclusive taxes, then no problem, you can do the costing with that. But if it is exclusive tax, you need to ask them how much the taxes they're gonna charge for your purchasing, and add it to your costing before you do the importation. Point number 20, know the import custom duty structure and custom clearance process for relevant products. Sometime your product cost double the custom duty. Sometimes your custom duty is 200 times, 300 times more than your purchasing value. So you need to check with your custom before you order items. The check-in process, what are the certificates they want, and everything. Otherwise, you will have to incur more cost on the custom duties. Then you won't be able to sell at lower price to your customers. So then then you will stuck in selling process. Thank you very much.